Guys, we are at Yoders, and this is on 32 around Seaman, Ohio.
Strawberry rhubarb pie.
They have all of the play equipment for the kids, of course for you to buy, but you are able to get on them, and swings that you can sit in, eat. That big chair right there. Yoders Bakery and Furniture. Billy found him a spot already and we just got here. Look at him all dressed out in his red, white, and blue today on July 4th.
Oh my.
Billy's smelling the donuts when you walk in. Look at this place, all this furniture. Show you this table and the prices. How pretty. Look at all the stuff for popcorn. They even have a red hot glaze. Dill pickle. Look at that. Sea salt caramel. Now we're talking my language. We have all of the spices individually done. Look at all them. And the candies. Here's some of the pies. These are little pies too.
Miss Connie's getting her a pretzel dog.
I've never had one before. I've been wanting to get one every time we come. I gone. And here's Billy getting him a glazed donut. Look at the size of the thing.
Thank you.
Look at all those glazed donuts. Those are pretzels and the pretzel dogs. Cream horns, turnovers. And they got cookies, cinnamon rolls, $7.99. Pecan sticky buns. Now we're talking Billy. That's what he likes. Guys, look at this gazebo. Look how the seats are on ropes.
Look at that donut.
Billy's got his donut out. It's got a big hole in it though, bigger than they used to be. I think they're trying to cut back too. But look at this roof on top of this.
Isn't that fresh?
That's fresh donut, he said. We'll eat this one now and then we'll get another one to take with us. Alright guys, here's my donut. Maple. And it's got Bavarian cream on the inside. Because, you know, I'm extra. I don't just want a glazed donut. I want something fancy.
Fly's trying to get mine.
The fly knows it's good. And look, we got a onion. Oh, it's got a bad spot, of course. I had to pick one like that. And a tomato. So, alright guys, that's it for our Amish. Maybe next time we'll show you a little bit more of it. I didn't get to see a whole lot inside. They're busy. And today is July 4th. Everybody's here.
Peace out, y'all.
Peace out.